One of the other top stories we were watching this morning, lawyers for the defense and prosecution are expected to present their closing arguments in the bail hearing of Timothy Omotoso today. This is taking place in the Port Elizabeth High Court in the Eastern Cape. His arrest and him being a prohibited person in the country were some of the key issues and key focuses during the bail application. Omotoso was arrested back in 2017. He and his two co-accused of facing more than 90 sexual assault-related charges. Our SABC news reporter, Anda Ngonji, has more.
The lengthy bail application of controversial Pastor Timothy Omotoso might finally be coming to an end today, as defense advocate Terry Price and state prosecutor Ngcebantelo are expected to present their final and closing arguments. Well, last week we have seen a number of people coming here to testify, mostly on what happened during the period when Omotoso was arrested, with the head of the Hawks saying that at that time she did not really expect to arrest Omotoso, but because there was a change of plans from Omotoso's legal team, she was afraid to let him go and then decided to arrest him. We have also seen Omotoso's wife come forward testifying about Omotoso's residential address, which is one thing that has been the main argument from the state. She said that Omotoso does in fact have a permanent residential address and that he could not produce it during the time when he was arrested because they had just moved. She also said that if Omotoso were to get bail, she would personally look after him and make sure that he reports to the police station. Today we await to see what the closing arguments might be, as the state remains adamant that Omotoso is or might be a flight risk as his documents are no longer valid and that he is likely to intimidate the victims. Whereas on the other side, the defense is also adamant that if Omotoso were to get bail and go back to his hometown, because of the expedition between South Africa and Nigeria, they would be able to bring him back, and also that he will be safe under the care of his wife. Right now, from myself, Anda Ngonji, and colleague Obani Bloom, it's back to you in studio.